how to operate televisions in different rooms. In this room, okay, this is the remote that turns on the TV and changes the channels. It does cable. But if you want to do Netflix in this bedroom, use this remote here to activate Netflix. Okay? Otherwise, you'll really hardly ever use this remote. In the office, again, want to watch TV in here, this is the remote to use. But if you want to use a DVD player or VCR, like that's going to happen. What's a VCR? Then VCR, DVD, and then the remote control to operate this. Right now I got it set on computer, and so if I press the source button, it'll go to, like in this case, I'll set it up so that we can watch cable TV, HDMI 1.
What colors kind of speak to you?
All right.
I like it. I mean, it kind of has some gray tones in it.
Component is the DVD player. Okay. In the living room, I'll shut this off. In the living room, you'll primarily use one remote for everything, and that's this one. It says TiVo on it, obviously, and everything else. But you can also use this one for like volume and such. But don't use Netflix on this. Use Netflix and Hulu and everything are available on the TiVo app. If I hit this, then I go to apps. Then I can get to Netflix and everything else. The downstairs is controlled by, oh, you can also watch Blu-rays in here too, but you're gonna have to call me for that. It's more complex. Downstairs has one primary remote for the whole thing. It is right here, mounted on the charger. There are additional remotes too to add confusion, but primarily, if you say want to watch TV down here, go to TiVo, press this, and keep it aimed at the television for quite a while, because it's got to start up about 3 different things, so you keep it aimed right at it. So in fact, every time you do any kind of command for anything, you're going to kind of keep it aimed at the thing for a while. I found that sometimes when I'm watching a Blu-ray down here, that sometimes it doesn't always fire up the actual Blu-ray player. So I'll shut everything off by pressing that red button right there and keeping it pointed at it while it shut everything off, of course. But I found sometimes that when I'm watching a Blu-ray that it doesn't go over and fire things up like I want. So if it doesn't fire up the Blu-ray player, then use this little guy to turn the power on the Blu-ray player. But, okay. Blu-ray remote, the remote for the receiver, the remote for the TV, and this, oh wow. Oh yeah, that's TiVo remote, just like the one upstairs. However, you can do TiVo and everything through that. I keep these here because sometimes I just like to grab them and individually use them. All right, last room, downstairs bedroom. This bedroom has a Roku TV in it, so you can fire everything up by using this remote, and that will start the television. But Once the TV starts, however, though, you will have to go to this actual Roku TV remote, and if you want to watch cable TV, for example, you'll have to choose cable TV, and it'll play cable. Or if I want to watch Netflix, I punch the Netflix button, and now I got Netflix. Okay, so each room, pretty much, except for the office, has Netflix and things of that nature, but that's how to run everything. If you have questions, you can holler at me, 605-360-1323. Thanks.